Hello guys, in this video we are going to find the x minus value, and I have x square and y square equals 8. This is my first mathematical expression. Actually this is a simultaneous reaction. This is my first equation. My second mathematical expression is x and y multiplication equals 3. I'm going to name these two mathematical expressions like this. Thereafter, I'm going to write x minus y is within brackets and total square power of x minus y equals, according to some fundamental mathematical theories, I can expand this expression as x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then I can rearrange this expression as x square plus y square minus 2xy. According to my first mathematical expression, I know the value of x square and y square equals 8. Then I can substitute this value for this segment. So I can write 8 minus 2. Then I know the value of xy. Xy is 3. So I can write 8 minus 2 multiplied by 3 equals 8 minus 6. Then I can rearrange or rewrite this total expression as x minus y second power equals 2. Then I can take the x minus y value as x minus y equals square root 2.